How to sign electronically on Fedex. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can sign in electronically on Fedex. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head over to the official website, that is fedex.com. Now you have to sign in using your account or the email that is associated with your shipment. Once you are signed in, you have to find your incoming package. There you have to click on manage delivery, then select sign for a package. Then you have to follow the prompts carefully in order to electronically sign. You will also be often asked to type your name or draw a signature too. But sometimes you will also receive an email notification with sign now option. So the FedEx will email you, if the shipper allows it, with a sign now link. There you have to click on the link, verify your identity, and then sign electronically from your device. So these are the way to sign electronically on Fedex, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.